need a plate, 1 cup of milk, liquid soap, and your coloring. Yeah, coloring, whatever it's called, and what's your favorite color? And first, we're going to start with the cup of milk. We're going to carefully dump it on the plate, and then we're going to add some food coloring, and then add some dots, but don't mix them up. Like this. Yeah. And then you could do a different color if you'd like. I want green and pink. Yeah, okay. But this is purple. You can add pink, yellow, orange, red, blue, whatever's your favorite color. That's funny. I don't want you. I'm gonna get. So we're gonna carefully do that, but we're not gonna mix them, right? Yeah.
Good job, Ellie.
So if there's enough of the color, you could add a different color. I want a green color. It's like maybe a little bit more purple in there because there's not that much. Yeah, there's not that much. And maybe we could add a little bit of this color. I think is yellow. Whoa. This is creepy.
Careful.
And just a little bit of yellow. And then we're going to add a little bit of red. Well, you could add as much as red and yellow as you want.
Okay, now.
And now we're going to add the liquid soap. Because I'm going to do it.
Yep.
Yep, Ellie, do it.
You're going to help her.
Do it. So don't.
Hold on, Hel. No.
And then that happens. And then it moves into new stuff. A bubble. Like a bubble. Not like a bubble. And maybe you could try to do some bubbles because there's little bubbles. But you should not touch this because if you touch it, you're going to get like stuff all over your fingers and hands and stuff like that. So you're trying not to touch it. But if you have bubbles in it, just don't pop the bubbles because it'll make a mess.
What do you think, girls?
Good. It's good.
Is it a good experiment?
Yeah. Yep. I want to do the green. I already did. I want to do the green.
What do you guys see in there? Ooh, the bubble popped. Look at what it did.
Oh, that was pretty. I like that purple and bluish and pinkish. And yeah, it's really pretty. Oh, that kind of looks like flower. Ooh, that looks pretty. Dad, can you help me with this one? Why would you want to eat it? No.
Okay, that's good, Ellie.
Okay, that's good. That's good. It might turn one color if you dump it out like green last time.
Mara, why don't you pop that bubble and see what happens?
Wow! It turned kind of brownish. But you have to be very careful to pop bubbles. Wait, there's some milk right there, Dad.
Ellie, that's not. Bless you.
Is that something? That's too much green.
That's our experiment.
That's our experiment.
That's good, guys.
Oh my gosh, it's kind of getting dark. It's getting dark. No more.
Okay,
I
Ellie.
will give us a thumbs up, and her name is Mara, her name is Ellie, and my name is Liddy. Have a good day. Have a good day, too.
Bye.
Bye.